Welcome, in front of me is a OPPO Reno 14 and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So, to get started, we will navigate into our settings, and in here, scroll all the way down to System and Update, and then from the options you want to select Backup and Reset, then Reset Phone, and erase all data. Now it brings up this window, permanently clear all data, and you have the two options. You have either clear data but retain eSIM, or clear all data including eSIM. Now this will be very dependent on if you actually use eSIM or not, and if you want to keep it. If you use it and you want to keep it, obviously select the first red option, but if you don't care about the eSIM, if you don't use it or anything like that, then you can just select the second option. And then gives us a quick info: clear all data including your eSIM information will be cleared permanently. This operation cannot be undone, but won't cancel any mobile service plans. So I'm going to say clear, and it's now going to begin factory resetting, removing all the data from the device. Once the process is completed, the device will boot back up and give us the setup screen for the phone. Same one that we have seen probably when you got this device and took it out of the box to start using it. So in any case, I'm going to let it run through the reset and come back once it's finished on my end. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up. There we go, let's get rid of this. Okay, that's interesting. The card isn't in the device. Unlocking SIM card that is in the phone. There we go. So, in any case, the process is now finished, and you can set up your phone however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.